Try to see what an 8-ball look like on a dunk. Nah. Get ready for the next swapperoo. What's going on, y'all? SPS and we got to get ready for the next swapperoo. About to put the 28-inch Onyx. They Onyx. Everybody call them dub ballers though. But I just let them say what they say. But they Onyx. They a little bit cheaper. I my first bought the E-rim, man. Paid for it. Cash. Off cutting here. Doing a fake deployment. I was gone for real though. 8 months. Hold on. Alright, I told y'all these called Onyx, man. Onyx. So, let's go get the other one. Like I said, for real, I bought these like 5 years ago. And I'm rolling, man. Yeah. Too busy working all the goddamn time. It's alright though, we about to change that up. Alright, man. This was about to be a nice, good video. But my whole good video mood gone, man. I ain't even finna lie. My rims messed up. The humidity messed a lot of my rims up.
The next day.
Alright, next day we back, man. Gotta move my cover. I gotta take the gas cans back there. Gotta get all this stuff ready for this video. Take this battery off. Hey, I think I ain't gonna paint this car, man. I kinda said forget it, cause the base gonna chip it up. And my kids and being in tight spaces, I'ma just paint the new roof and just roll with it. No windows. Got brakes though. If y'all smell this car, y'all be like, oh my God. I know that thing running. It's kind of smooth as hell too. Just roll it straight out. Alright, get my tripod so we can see what these boys here for. Oh, look at that base, boy. That shit about to go stupid. Look at my tripod. Garage looking a whole lot emptier. Man, just got the lifts. And then all this stuff, it's the kitchen table, I ain't finished yet. Well, really, that was my wife's project. I was helping. She took lead. It ain't my fault that it ain't finished. We just got that. And some little accessories that gotta go back in that container. Like my generator, just little stuff. But still got more stuff to throw away. Like all that on them shelves. Take them shelves down, all that. Hey, what's going on? All right. Let's get it. We gotta get this footage. I got a tall tripod too now. Super tall. Drop it though. So we finna see what these boys hitting for. All right. It's a lot of people that ask what's on my donk too. This bad boy just got coilovers, man. Nothing special. Nothing special, man. I know my rims kind of scarred up, man. Might have to jack the car up. Probably back. Might have to jack the back up. Not so much front. I got a 1/2-inch ratchet right here. Let me see. Show y'all the front. It's a lot of people who call me and ask about 8s. I'm pretty sure when I drop this down, this is gonna be a whole lot closer. So one thing to think about, you got your fender trim, which is usually chrome. And y'all see that gap? This is all factory stuff right here. So just so y'all can see. Yeah, definitely be hitting that. So the back end front fender more than likely had to be trimmed. This is the smallest tire, one of the smallest tires you can go with. Yeah, I just told y'all the cap loose. A 275, 25, a 255, 25. What size is this? Hold on. 275, 25. one of the smaller tires you can go with. I don't even know if the back could go on, but let's try it out. Woo! Yeah, that thing gotta go up a whole lot more. Yeah, I'm an old man now, y'all. What we got? Yeah, hell no. They don't like that. I can't let it all the way down. It's on the face. Almost. Probably not if I put another bolt in it. Hold on. All right, let's see what we get. Dang! It's a no. Nah, you have to do some heavy modifications. So don't. Box, not so much. But don't, just so you be able to ride, move, and turn. That boy on the fender. Can't even put the skirt back on. Probably because of offset, though. No. Got a little bit back there. Nah, it's just a no for me overall. I like ace on the box, but not really on the donk, man. Don't count to y'all. Probably if done right, but you got some heavy fabrication. Get your ring. Everybody want to do the disc, so that's modification right there. You got your frame notch. Everybody want a 7-inch, 28 with a 7-inch. You got to cut the quarter panel. Put the lip piece back in there. Coilovers, adjust everything for the music. Nah, I probably never put an 8 on no donk I'm riding. You will have to. All you DIY people, y'all have to have y'all something to ride, and then spend your extra spare time fabricating, because it's some heavy modifications in this, and you still want to be able to put your skirt on, so your skirt might have to be modified. Like, yeah, hell no. I wouldn't put it on this car, because this car needs too much to be able to drive. For real. Yeah, that's crazy. They big as hell, though. They big. Hey, heavy fabrication. You want the skirt to go on, 7-inch lip, frame, notch, fenders, quarter panel gotta be notch, brace. Full U-turn, like hell, man, that's a lot of work. So everybody that asks, y'all seeing what it look like. Better buy you another car to be able to work on your project. This ain't no quick modification here. All right, let's take these biscuits back off. Put the jack stands back on.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, man, as y'all can see, I lost all audio. But what I was trying to do is show y'all that it's not easy to put 28s on the phone. It's just not easy. So, if it's something that you want to do, I highly recommend you getting another car to drive. But if this is your only car, you gotta have some money, or you gotta have a lot of time. That's it. There's no way around it. So, on the Rising 28s, on the DONK, it don't matter what the 28s is, period. It don't matter what the offset is. It's just about the physical features of the car. You working around that. So you don't have no patience or no time. You gotta have some money. So it's just like no way around the combination of the three. You gotta have a skill, patience, or the money. That's it. So you gotta pick two and roll with it. So that's all I want to leave y'all with.